At Enterprise Fleet Management, we understand your time is valuable and you need visibility in your fleet's performance to make decisions every day. That's why clients can access a 24/7 portal containing all the data you need to realize your fleet's potential. Tailored to fit your needs, the website translates your most critical data into actionable insights using advanced analytics. Let's take a closer look. Your Enterprise Fleet Management portal includes dashboards that can be customized by each user, ensuring you see the charts and data you want right at login. Tailor your reporting and labeling options to match your existing account terms, then use the navigation bar at the top of every page to easily display big picture data, or to dive deeper into specific details about vehicles and drivers. The My Fleet section provides a complete overview of your fleet, plus detailed information on each vehicle. Maintenance Summary and Detail offers a quick look at each vehicle's maintenance status, with options to take a detailed look as needed. Utilization Outliers highlights vehicles that need upcoming or are overdue for maintenance, helping you proactively reduce fleet risks. Your portal contains tools to monitor fleet performance to help make informed recommendations to establish cost-efficient replacement schedules based on real-time mileage and maintenance data. If you're enrolled in our risk management program, you can also view the statuses of all accident claims. Your client portal supports end-to-end billing processes, enabling you to create custom vehicle descriptors for cost allocation and tracking by project, region, or vehicle class. Easily access summaries of current charges and previous payments or download them directly. With Enterprise Fleet Management's portal, you can quickly add multiple users to help manage your fleet, each with access to only the data they need. Your driver's access can be set up for the mobile app, giving them access to essential information anytime, anywhere. Ask your account fleet coordinator for help scheduling and sending alerts to drivers for maintenance, registrations, and recalls. The Enterprise Fleet Management portal provides all the data you need to realize your fleet's potential. Our job is to turn that data into real recommendations, delivering real savings for your company. Call your local account team if you would like a live demonstration.